Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question. Here we have one right angle triangle ABC and angle A is equal to 90 degrees. So that AB is equal to, given that AB is equal to AC. And angle C, the bisector of angle C intersects the side AB at this point D. So prove that, we have to prove here that AC is plus AD is equal to BC. So let's get started. To solve this question, first we will draw a perpendicular DE on BC. So DE is a perpendicular on line BC. Okay. So here this is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree because this is a perpendicular on BC. So I'll mark few angles here. I'll take this as 1, this is 2, this angle I'll take as 3, this as 4. So first I will take these two triangles, triangle DAC. I'll take these two triangles DAC and triangle DEC. DEC. So here in these two triangles, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because this CD is a bisector of angle C. So this angle will be equal to this angle, correct? And here angle A is equal to angle CDE. Angle DEC. Angle DEC because both are 90 degree. And this side is common. CD is equal to CD. Both common. So it means these triangles are congruent. Triangle DAC is congruent with triangle DEC. As triangle DAC is congruent with triangle DEC. So it means DA will be equal to DE and CA will be equal to CE. Which rule I will apply here? CPCT. Both CPCT. Correct? I will take this full as 1. So this is my one equation here. So next I will take this triangle, triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, as this side AB is equal to AC, so it means angle C is equal to angle B. And we know the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So I can write here as A plus 2 triangle B is equal to 180 degree. Which is this is equal to 9. We know this is equal to 90 degrees. So this implies angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree divided by 2, which is equal to 45 degree. So my angle B is equal to 45 degree. So I'll write here angle B is equal to 45 degree. So I'll take it as my second equation. So I'll take triangle. So next I will take triangle BED. Here also we know that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. The angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle BED is equal to 180 degree. Okay, this angle is equal to BED is equal to 90 degree. So angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, which is equal to 90 degree. And this angle 3 is equivalent to angle B. So angle 3 is equal to angle B. It means angle B and angle B is equal to 45 degree. So it means angle 3 is equal to angle B is equal to 45 degree. I'll put here. So I'll get angle 4 is equal to 90 degree minus 45 degree, which is equal to 45 degree. So angle 4 will also be equal to 45 degree. So my angle 3 is 45 degree. This is also 45 degree. This is also 45 degree. It means the sides opposite to these two angles will be equal. So angle, this means this implies the side opposite to D is BE is equal to side opposite to this DE. So this I'll mark as third equation. So I'll write here BE is equal to DE. This is my third equation from 1 and 3. See, this is given DA is equal to DE, and here we have proved that BE is equal to DE. So it means DA is equal to BE is equal to DE. So let's take this side BC. This BC is equal to BE plus EC. Correct? And BE is equal to DE or this thing AD. So I'll put here AD or DA plus EC, and this EC is equal to, see, AC. So I'll put here AC. So it means I can write this as AD plus AC is equal to BC. This